Hi all, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today's topic is Python is dynamically typed programming language. So we are going to see why Python is dynamically typed programming language. So before going to our topic, so if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So now when I was teaching you Python features, so at that time I told Python is dynamically typed programming language, and at that time I told that I will create separate video on this because this is very important topic. So now let's dive into this topic. So there are two types of programming languages, statically typed and dynamically typed. So here I have taken two examples for statically typed programming language, C and C++, and dynamically typed programming language I have taken Python and JavaScript. So as we are learning Python, so we will see why Python is dynamically typed programming language. So first we will see what is statically typed programming language. So in statically typed programming language there are two important points. So we have to specify, first point is we have to specify data type of variable at the time of variable declaration. So now if you have knowledge of C programming, so when you are doing any task in C programming, so before that you have to declare variables, and when you are declaring variables, compulsory you have to specify data type of that variable. Next point is at runtime we can't change data type of a variable. Means whatever variable data type you have specified at the time of declaration, you can't change that at runtime. So practically we will see, for that I have taken one online C compiler. Now here I will take one variable. So as I told, C is statically typed. So when I am defining any variable, I have to define its data type. Now I have taken a as an integer variable. Now I am printing its value on the console. So if you have knowledge of C programming, you can easily understand this code. Sorry, I forgot here semicolon. So now it is giving me a value of a, that is 32. Now next what I am doing, so I am trying to change its data type. So I am trying to save other type of data in this variable a. So as I am taking string, so I have to specify here format specifier as s and a, and here we have to give semicolon. Now if I run this code, so I am getting error here, segmentation fault. So when you are getting this segmentation fault error in C, so when there is memory related issue. So in C programming, that is C is statically typed. So at the time of declaration of variable, we have to specify the data type. So for that I have specified here int, and if I change the data type dynamically at runtime, it is not allowed in C program as it is statically typed. So if I give here instead of string, if I take here integer, so if I run this code, so I am getting 32 and 45. So in this way, means whatever data type you have specified at the time of declaration, throughout life of this program, this variable will be of data type, that data type. So I have specified here a as integer. So throughout life of this program, it will be integer only. So earlier I have tried to change its data type. So I tried to say the string here. So it was not allowed, and we got segmentation fault as error. So this is for statically typed. Now as we are learning Python, so Python is dynamically typed, I told. So if I want to specify any variable, here no need to specify data type of variable. So then how that variable data type will get determined? So at the runtime, Python automatically determine its data type. So for example, I am taking here a is equal to 32. So now it is containing integer data. So if I print here A and save this program, and if I run this, so at the output I will get A is equal to 32. So I will specify here one string, so we will get more readable output. So now next what I am doing, so now I want to check data type of this variable. So for that we have type function in Python, type of, otherwise we will take data type of A is. So when you want to check data type of variable in Python, you have to use type function, right? So now I will control S and run the program. So now I got here data type of A is class int. So now next what I am doing, so next I am copy pasting this code. So now instead of integer, if I take here string, and if I run this program again, so now I am getting, first I declared or assigned value to A as 32. So because of that data type of A was integer. So next I assign string value. So because of that now data type of A is string. So in this way, so as Python is dynamically typed programming language, at runtime you can change its data type. So in dynamically typed programming language, 2 points you have to remember. So at the time of declaration you don't have to specify data type. So that language automatically determine its data type at runtime. And next point is you can dynamically change the data type of that variable by assigning different value. So as we have done here, earlier we have assigned A is equal to 32, and next after some time we have assigned string value to this variable A. So it is allowed in dynamically typed programming language, but it is not allowed in statically typed programming language. So in this way, this Python is dynamically typed programming language. So I have given here 2 points. Dynamically typed programming language, no need to specify data type of variable at the time of declaration of variable. Automatically data type of variable will get determined. So this is one point also we have seen. So next point is at runtime we can change the data type of variable. This is also we have seen. Next is, so examples I have taken of two languages, Python and JavaScript. So for Python in detail we have seen what is the meaning of dynamically typed programming language. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.